Hello guys, and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create product bundles in your Shopify store. So we're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in to your account, and as you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is pretty easy. We're going to click on the search bar at the top and type in bundles. We're going to type in bundles because we're going to find some apps right there, so I'm going to search for it in the Shopify App Store. And here we have them. Now you can see that we have Shopify bundles. As you can see, we can set up fixed bundles and multiple packs to drive more sales. We also have other apps such as Koala Bundles, Volume Discount, Caching Bundles, Bundler, Fast Bundle Product, and a lot of other apps available. You also have apps like Color Swatch and Bundles, which help you set up variations like different colors for products such as shirts. So choose one of the apps. For example, I'm going to go with the free one, Shopify Bundles. We're going to install it real quick. Since it is free, we're going to pin it to the navigation, and then we are going to create our bundle. Click on Create. You're going to select the products, and then you're going to set up your bundle with different options and variants. Basically, if you don't have products yet, you need to add them first. So we can go ahead and click on Add Product. I'm going to name it something simple, set a price, for example, 100, and then click on Save. Now we're going to head back to the Bundler app and try to create a bundle using the product we just added. Select the product, name your bundle, and continue the steps. The second step is to create a description for that bundle. Add media, set the category, and then set up the price for the bundle. You can also manage inventory, shipping, and add variants if needed. Once everything is set, click on Save, and your bundle will be created. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the content. See you in the next one.